Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Naya, or if Naya, whatever you want to call me. So for this video I am going to be trying out twist out on my 4 type 4B hair. I have never attempted twist out before. I have actually never tried any type of coiling method on my hair, and today I am going to be doing a twist out. So trying out different hairstyles and coil method is what I want to do this year, and because I want to be more versatile with my hair and hairstyles, if that makes sense. So the first thing I am doing right now is that I sectioned my hair into 2 parts, and divide each part into 2 equal parts. So after doing that, I just make sure to get one part out of the way. I just make use of a clip to put it out of the way so it doesn't disturb whatever I am going to do. As you can see that my hair is dry, I need to hydrate it, so I'm just going in with water, just water. I spray that onto that section and just use my hands to work it in. And yeah, after doing that, I'm going to go in with a leave-in conditioner. This is Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Strengthener. It's also like a leave-in conditioner. I use this all the time, so I'm just going to take a little out of that and just work it onto this section. So after doing that, I just make sure to go in with just a little bit of almond oil. And after that, I just make sure to get all the knots or tangles out of the way. I smooth that out by using my tangle teaser. So I'm going to be making use of this Aunt Jackie's coiling custard. So this is what I picked up, and I don't know, like I said, this is the first time I am trying this twist out. I don't know the best coiling creams or whatever to use. I hope this one gives whatever it is supposed to give. So after working that in, I just go ahead to twist that section out of the way. So the first twist is done. This is what it's looking like. I hope this works out. Okay, so now what I am going to do right now is to go ahead and repeat this whole process until I have my entire hair in twists. So finally, I am done. An hour later, to be honest, this did not really take that long. And so what I decided to do here is that I am trying to make the twist more tighter in order for to make the coils come out more defined. So after doing that, I just make sure to hold it down with a hair clip, and then after that I make use of a band to secure them into place. So guys, honestly speaking, this took more than overnight to dry. This is like evening, okay? This is like I think 4:30, but right now my hair is completely dried. So let's move on to unraveling this twist, okay? Because this is what I want to know. This is the moment of truth, and guys, I have to pray. Like I prayed. Okay, so first thing I did was just to put some oil on my palm, of course almond oil on my palm. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and unravel the first twist. So this is what it is looking like. It is not bad, but I'm not going to go ahead right away to separate it. I'm just going to patiently take my time and unravel every twist before I go ahead and separate them. So now onto the second part. Now I need to separate the hair. So I don't know if I am doing this the right way, but this is what I know how to do. So I am just taking it and just separating my strands, just like that, just separating my strands. And guys, I'm going to say it's looking promising, but let's see the end result. But to be honest, it is looking promising. I just had to make sure I really separate my entire hair, because I don't want to be looking as if my hair is not full, right? So like, just go ahead and start separating the coils. And right now, this is what it's looking like. So I know I still have work to do. So right now at this point I decided to make use of my fingers to just fluff off my hair. And I noticed that the more I do that, the more my hair keeps getting fuller. You can see, to be honest, this is not bad for the first try and the first time. I know there are so many things I actually need to get right, but guys, this is not actually bad, because it actually came out way more than I expected, to be honest. So for the first try, for me, it is not bad. I actually like it. I know I still have a lot to learn, and I know that I'm going to perfect this as time goes on, but I actually do like this. And I just had to keep using my fingers to fluff it out, and it started taking shape, and I started falling in love with it. And I would really like you guys to rate my first attempt at my first twist out. Please, what would you rate this? Do you think I tried? What do you think? Just let me know. Be honest, let me know on the comment section. But guys, one thing I know for sure is that this actually looks so good on me. This is looking so cute, and I am willing to rock this any day and any time. So guys, I'm definitely going to make this a series on my channel whereby I try out different coiling methods, because to be honest, I love how this came out, and I can't wait to perfect this in order to have much bomb twist out. And also, I did forget to mention that I actually rocked this throughout the week. I actually rocked it for about almost a week, guys, because to be honest, I liked it. I know it's not perfect, but I really like it. And I also took bomb ass photos, and I'll be posting them on my Instagram. So if you're not following me already, I'll make sure I leave my link and also my IG name on the screen, so when I post them you can go check the photos out. They are actually nice, and it was really cute. So I actually rocked this hairstyle for about 4 to 5 days, because I really loved it. It was looking so cute, and everybody was like, you should do this more often. And this is like day 4, and this is what the coils are looking like right now. I know the coils are no longer there, but yeah, like I said, I really rocked it, and I love it, and I can't wait to try this again. Anyways guys, that brings me to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, definitely give this girl a huge thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you join the click by subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification as well, so you don't miss out whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.